Madali lang kasi yung password. Mabilis lang kasi yung password ng luma kong Instagram. So, hindi ako magugulat kung na-hack siya. Kasi makakalimutin talaga ako sa password. So, dinalian ko yung password. Tapos nun, na-open siya. Tapos nang pag-open ko, hindi ko na kayang buksan. Tapos nag-text na lang sa akin si Olin, yung kasama ko sa PBB. Check mo nga yung Instagram mo. Nahack ka ba? Kasi hindi ikaw ang nag-post nito, alam mo.
The hacker posted a picture of a pink heart-shaped puzzle and captioned it with, we quote, "The more boys I meet, the more I realize that it's only him I want. Please come back to me, GA." Many pertain to the initials GA as Kim's ex-boyfriend, Gerald Anderson. Some netizens believed it was Kim who made the post because the post appeared after Gerald's confirmation that Maja Salvador is his girlfriend. But Kim denied the allegation through an Instagram post saying, quote, "Good morning, IG friends. Just want to inform you that my account has just been hacked. I'll keep you posted if it happens again. I just might make a new account. And please be informed that the recent post was not mine. God bless you, hackers." End quote.
Buti na lang nakaback up ako sa email ads ko.
Okay.
So, yun, sa Instagram, forgot password. Tapos, yun, binuksan ko sa email ko. Tapos,
Nalagay ka ng message naman, hindi sa'yo ka.
oo, kasi ang dami na nag-react, ang dami na nagulat. Buti na lang may signal dun sa location namin sa taping kasi sobrang layo ng place ko.
Nabaliw ka na ba?
Kinabahan na ako, nanginig ako. Talaga pa ngayon,
Alright.
nahahack.
On the other hand, Kim's love team and rumored boyfriend, Sian Lim, was just cool about it and just gave his piece of advice.
Sinasabi nga niya sa akin, pero hindi pa siya masyado nakakapagkwento. It's just a hacker. It happens. I guess to everyone. Di ba, hindi naman natin malalaman kung ma-hack yung account natin. So, next time, yung password, hirap-hirap mo lagyan ng maraming numbers.
Meanwhile, we thought Kim's reaction on G8 or Gerald and Maha's confirmation that they are in a relationship. Kim kept mum.
Happy ka din. Ina-happy ka din na ngayon.
Ayoko na makasali, wala na pa ako sa real.
Issues aside, Kim and Sian are looking forward to their first movie together.
Ito nga follow-up namin ni Jen, kung Mike and the Girl, yung first namin. And ito, kung gusto pa nila, they want more, ito na yun, bakit hindi ka crush ng crush mo?
Oo, ngayon malapit na sa July, so yun.
Pero kumusta yung shooting na?
Shooting sobrang nakakatawa, parang sabi ko nga MWF drama, TTHS comedy. So yun.